Janene 49 in Market. Come take a look at our latest release with Sizzix. You guys are gonna love these SKUs. So we have these 12 amazing combinations of stamps and framelits for you for this release. I am very excited. There's a lot of mixing and matching, and the possibilities that you can create are absolutely amazing. First up is our letter drop. This is a stamps and framelits set. It creates this adorable mailbox. So basically you have the mailbox, you can have an open, you can have a closed front, you can have little bits and pieces coming in and out. As well, we even have a background stamp so that you, or actually two, so that if you want to have your post for your mailbox going into something, you can certainly do that. So all these options, as well as the coordinating framelits so that you can cut out these pieces. You can slide your little bits and pieces if you want. This one's going to drop down. So if you wanted your mailbox to be open and you wanted to, let's say, have something sticking out, you could do that. So you can see how much fun this is to play. So this is going to be the letter drop set. That's going to be your mailbox and the backgrounds. The idea is that this set is going to coordinate with two other SKUs that we have. We have the holiday drop and we have sweet drop. So these two SKUs, also a stamp set and Finlets set, in which each of them are going to give you a little mix and matching. We have a Halloween and a Christmas theme going on over here. We have the love, we have the beach, we have a party. So I just want to show you just a few of these little pieces. You can see how cute it will be to adorn your mailbox with little bits and pieces. We have the balloons. We can do some coloring over here, tying those up and giving you all sorts of variations. Marie had done a beautiful, beautiful card for us using a combination of the products, but this has the letter drop as our main background. I love how she did the coloring here with that red mailbox. And then she mixed and matched some of the other pieces for a nice party theme at the beach. So beautiful card, just to show you a quick little example of how these will work. And the idea is that you can adorn your mailboxes with those bits and pieces. So these three sets are intended to go together or to be used separate. Can never go wrong with all of the bits and pieces for cards, for your journals, all fun, fun stuff. So let me clear that up. We then have, trying to keep it organized. There's so many things going on. I love that set though. It's a lot of fun to mix and match in. Next up, we have our Linotype stamps, as well as the Linotype Revival Finlets. And so these two SKUs are meant to coordinate together or again to be used separately. Both the stamp and the dies do work seamlessly. The stamps have that beautiful line going in it and that detail. Hopefully you can see this is an actual size. So the size of that letter is 1 1/4 inch high. So beautiful, beautiful font. And then the coordinating Finlet set. So I can show you another example using those. This is just going to be the Finlets that you can see. Beautiful font, perfect size for all of your projects. So that's an awesome stamp and coordinating Finlet set. Next up, we have coordinating numbers. This is the holiday tag set. So this was done a little bit different. It is going to be that same sized stamp and die set or framelit set for the numbers. So that will include your numbers here, as well as various tags and little bits and pieces. So to give you a look at that in action, I want to show you these beautiful tags. You can see how you can mix and match them. Again, that's going to be the die cut tags that come in there. You will have the coordinating Finlets for those stamped images on the numbers, as well as some of the other bits and pieces. So all mixing and matching. Another really cool SKU to coordinate with this set is going to be our holiday textures. This is a stamp set, which I should have opened up before, but I want to show you just how beautiful. I am such a fan of background stamps. To me, you can kind of never ever go wrong with all of this kind of mixing and matching and the layered look. So just to kind of show you those stamps, I want to get a good idea. This one is a nice 6-inch stamp, beautiful. It's going to highlight those Christmas numbers and elements, a little bit of the snowflakes going on. So you have the 24th, 25th, 12, mix and match. Love this textured watercolor splash. You can see how beautiful all of that would kind of coordinate with our different stamps and thinlits going on from this set. So those are 2 holiday SKUs that are a definite must-have. These background stamps are gonna be beautiful on cards and all your projects. I love it. I love how it comes in that reusable plastic sleeve. So again, that's our holiday textures set, as well as our holiday tags, okay? Next up, we have another holiday themed. This is the Build a Wreath set. This is a stamps and framelits set. And to show you how beautiful these pieces are, these are gonna work great also on your stamp and spin because you can see how the wreath stamp can go all around in a big format. It comes out to be like an 8-inch stamp, but you can see how beautiful and the size of these die cuts are. So this is just a quick little look at some of those pieces. So I had a lot of fun with this. I'm trying to see if we have any other examples. I don't have any other examples right now to show you, but a lot of fun mixing, matching, coloring those ornaments, and it's gonna make for a great, great cluster. Okay. Next up, there's so many pieces, there's so many things, so many fun things that you're gonna wanna get your hands on. That is the Build a Wreath stamps and framelit set. And then we go to our build an album. This is a lot of fun. You know me, I like my little mini albums. Had a good time with this. I will show you the different pieces, and I think it's a good, so this way you can walk through. I know Nadine, one of our design team members, has created a video to show you how to use all of these pieces to create an album, and I will show you a finished album I have here, but just to give you a look at some of these pieces, because you might be saying to yourself, well, what would I do with all these random pieces? First, we have a nice album cover framelit set. So this is going to create that cover piece. You then have one that's slightly smaller, and that's going to be perfect for those inner pages. And I will show you again the finished in a minute. We then have a scored hinge piece with a page spine piece. And the idea is that the opening here will slide into the peaks and valleys of your spine hinge. So this will create a nice resting place for those inner pages. We then have a spine piece. You can use it flush against the spine, and then you can use the score lines to wrap it around the album. And then just a fun, cute little tattered film strip kind of piece. So to give you a look, this is a sample of one of the albums I created. I used that outer piece. I used the spine cover piece as a flat here, and then I even wrapped around another layer around the sides. It will join in the middle, and then you can finish with the flat one on the end if you like to further decorate it. Then I open up my pieces, and I just wanted to show a little contrast so that you could see what's going on here. In that middle piece is going to be the spine hinge piece. This, when you cut and score it, you would adhere it so that you have the peaks and valleys with that 1/4 inch gusset in between. And then those pieces can get adhered to the spine. You would then cover it with it would slide through the middle so that you can cover each page with the, what am I trying to say? You know what I'm trying to say. Oh, this is actually upside down. So You slide those in, cover it, and it gives a nice contrast to your different pages. So that's just a quick little look at how easy it is to put together one of these albums. Possibilities are endless, as I love to say, and it is a lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy that one as much as I do. That is, again, the Build an Album Framelits set. Next up, we have another stamp set. This is similar to the Holidays Textures set. This is a beautiful set of background stamps. You can see the nice large size of those. Again, that large one's going to be about 6 inches. You have the grid, you have all these lovely collaged elements, as well as these background splotchy type stamps. And this is going to be perfect to pair with the Postage wings. This is going to be a stamps and framelits set of stamps and dies. So you're going to get 5 gorgeous butterflies, each with a coordinating framelit, as well as some extra bits and pieces, and 3 postage stamps. So those pieces are going to be great to mix and match. And a quick look at these, the set in use. We have a beautiful card that Mary did. This is the butterflies. You can see how gorgeous it is with the die cut, as well as that postage frame in the background. And she did a little bit of collaging with the other stamps. So these are a lot of fun, beautiful, beautiful sets. Can't wait to show you more with them. And then last but not least, we have a stamps and stencil set. This is the Outdoor Essentials, and this is a lot of fun. So this particular set is going to come with 2 different stencils and a small stamp set, and all made to coordinate together. So you can see with the different typography type stamps, the little triangles, the tree. This is going to go great with that Campfire Memories collection that's coming out. We have the stencils. You get the nice collage trees, the little bits and pieces. You can pair up those stamps so that they'll outline around the stencil. We also have a beautiful pattern here. These are actually backwards, along with the chevron and the grids. A lot of fun. And another card to show you in use. You can see how great the mixing and matching of the stamp as well as the stencil is. This actually does also mix in a little bit of that previous stamp set that we just showed you, the wings and things. So you can see how beautiful that's going to layer on top as well. So all the pieces from this collection made to work together. Can't wait to see what you guys create with all of this. Be sure to tag and post Sizzix and 49 and mark it. Hope you guys love the release as much as we do. Thanks so much for joining.